Hello, all my friends. What I have here is a small uh, table vise, but look here, it is like broken. We just over tightened the thing a little bit. I think the job was too heavy for this unit, but it's broken. I just wonder if why can't I go and weld maybe. Try. I know it's a cast iron. Cast iron is difficult to weld. And then maybe we can just weld it a little bit and just use it for small jobs anyway. I'm gonna take this thing apart and put some small, clean the paint a little bit and just do some spot welding, and then we can see if we can't maybe fix this thing. I know you get a special cast iron. Look at this thing. We can just hold it here and just maybe just spot weld it here. Make see if I can't fix it. I think you get like cast iron rods for arc welder, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to use the normal ones quickly and just see if I can't maybe do something with it. I took off the base. This is how this base work. Just for interest sake, there's a little lever and there's a cam here, little offset, and as you tighten it, the whole thing comes up and down, and then it just pulls it to the bottom. But here is the spray that I need to remove first. So I have to take this thing off. And then we can undo this whole thing. So here's the spring and the washer. And then there's a circle up there. So you may just replace it when I'm finished. And this whole thing gonna come out. And this thing is shifting out. There's it. Now we're gonna see if I can't weld this thing somehow. I'm just gonna take some paint off here and just weld it. Okay, just clean the paint here and the sides here. And then this metal is actually quite soft. Then I will just put it like that, and then I'm just gonna tag it there. It's a bit of a battle to weld this here, so let's just focus here. We're gonna try the inside now. I think it looks better by now. It's a little bit more welding. So let's focus on this thing here. So I think this will do maybe. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. Maybe just leave it like this. Take a maybe here's some little bit more welding there. Okay, I'm just gonna wait till it cool down and I'm gonna spray it. Okay, this is just a little close-up. I managed to weld this thing. This doesn't look so good because obviously this cast iron is a bugger to weld, but I'm just gonna spray it, put it back together again, and then maybe it will work again. Okay, I managed to put the little face back, put new screws in, and I'm gonna just spray it quickly. Okay, let's take some Chinese spray. Giving it some coat here. Alright, I spray painted the unit. You can see the welding inside there. So I hope it will do for now. Now what happens next, I must put this back. First put this one in here. Let's put some oil in here. So it's not much screw thread in here anyway. There's a guide here also. You can put some oil on this guide here. Obviously, you first have to. I'm gonna leave that one. I'm not gonna spray that, so maybe later. Let's first put this in. This is spring, and then the washer. And then the circlip. So I have to put it on a vise and push it down and just get that thing quickly. Okay, I put it in there. Close it. That's spline. Okay, now we can put this thing in here. Put some oil there, some oil here. Yeah, it's alright for a small job. It's still strong enough. Now over here, let's put this back here. Okay, now see, now this is loosened. If you put it on the vise, then it just, that cam effect, then hold this thing back again. Put some oil in there. There's an old 3-in-1 oil that I used to have here around. Okay, there's oil there. I can put some oil there. So everything is nice and oiled down now. So if you just if you want to clamp something, I think it's good enough. So the cast iron is, you can weld cast iron. I think if you do a proper job, you can looks better. But I say it's good for the job I need it for. So that for a good job. I hope you enjoy this video. So it shows you cannot always throw away stuff. You can still manage to fix it and make it work for you. And good enough for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.